In today's video, we are going to go through the ins and outs of running a local joint here in Nigeria. I'll be taking you guys to Oshaprapra joint where they sell bushmeat, palm wine, and other kinds of local Nigerian delicacies. In this video, we're going to be spending the day with her, interview her, and also get to review some of the things she saw in her local joint.
So now you be the brain behind the business now.
Oh, that be bestie for you. But she not going to remember now.
She know.
I start with for the idea for push with any other thing. Don't come on our permission to say that one I lost. Give her the advice. Then she follow it. My name is Oyo Joy. No pimples.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Still your girl Danica Kosy. If you are new to the channel, you are highly welcomed, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcomed. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit that red subscription button and join the family already. You guys remember I told you guys we are on a project to support people that are trying to survive here in Africa, most especially women. We are trying to promote them, to show you guys that gone are those days when women will just sit back at home and relax. Gone are those days when they refer to African women as lazy women who just ends up in the kitchen and in the bedroom. These days, women are strong, we are powerful, we go out there to look for how to make it in life. And in today's video, we are coming to a local joint. The name of the joint is Oshaprapra. It is a local joint owned by a woman. She sells all kinds of food, all kinds of bushmeat and other things. Of course, let me not talk for her. She's going to talk for herself, okay? If you are in Ondo State, Ado Ekiti, Osun, or anywhere close to Ondo State, here in Africa, in Nigeria to be precise, and you think you have something good that you are doing or a business that you want us to help you promote, you can also let us know in the comment section or leave me a DM on Instagram and I will reply you. Now we are done talking. Okay, let us go and meet the owner of Oshaprapra joint. Let's see what she has for us. How I got to know about this place. I used to drive past this shop with my husband. What I saw someone killing, I think it's a bushmeat around there. I was like, how is this place? And I think in the evening, I used to see a lot of people here. I said this must be something special. But I need to come here and talk with you. And I saw you, I saw how beautiful you are.
And you too, you are welcome.
Can you just tell us your name?
My name is Omodara Obata, but alias name for here, Oshaprapra.
Oshaprapra.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of Oshaprapra? Oshaprapra, that's a Yoruba language.
Oshaprapra. Like, one day, one of my boy, as he tastes my meat, but I give me the name, say, this your meat is fine, no. Yeah. So if I come sit down, say, this meat, this woman, Oshaprapra. Since that day, that my pikin come dey call me Oshaprapra, and so people come dey call me Oshaprapra.
Ah, wow, that's great. So when did you start?
Don't they go like 7 years now?
Wow, it's been long. That should be around 2015.
2015, yeah.
When you started, did you put all this place together? Like, do you own? We saw something that looks like. Are you the owner of that place?
Yes.
With all those bamboo and everything. Yes. You are the owner of that place too.
Yes.
Wow. When you started, did you start this?
No, the time when I start with only container. The time when I start, no, say I'm a stranger for here. I start for small. I start by I dey inside this container. But as I come, as rain dey fall, where some dey beat people, now I come dey do that
other side. Yes. All right. But like, how much did you start the business with when you started? You know, we want to celebrate the days of your little beginning.
Yeah, that one a long story. That one a long story. Oh.
Yes, just tell us the long. We are very patient. We want to hear it.
The time where I start with small grass cutter, one antelope. But as the thing they move small, I thank God today. So you don't pass that level. When I just talk, I start like I start with like 50,000 naira. Wow. Because now I dey buy grass cutter, antelope, that time I no cook it.
Okay.
I no cook food. But as it is, all they move. I don't thank God say you don't have
That
that
level.
level.
So you begin now to cook, abi?
Is that why I know say around no say that rainy season need to be too hot. So that rainy season
So like today, how much can you say you get from this? Is it enough? Like what you get, is it enough to run your family?
no at all. Because the thing wey dey make me dey do the work, because I don't want to sit down. And I no go sit down with, you know say I get pikin.
Yes.
You say my pikin no go eat. So
No one just sit down like that.
I
for
no go
house.
sit down say me and dey sleep. Because I know the thing wey I dey face.
Yes. So you needed to start doing something.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So how did you get to know that this is the right business for you to do?
Na my mother work.
Okay, your mom?
Na my mother work. Because the time wey I dey go school, wey my mother dey do am, I dey help am dey do. So I dey follow my mother dey do am. The time wey I know say me sef I don start to do am, me na cloth I dey sell. No, cloth and sew, na be my work.
Do you work alone?
No.
But when you started, you used to work alone.
Yes.
But now you have a lot of people working with you.
Yes.
Okay, like how many people?
5.
5? You pay them
Yes.
every month?
Yes.
Wow, that means that we are getting something out of our little, our joints, okay? Yeah. What do you sell here?
Rice,
You sell rice,
bush meat,
okay, bush meat.
and
What? Sorry.
Pandi.
Okay, pounded yam. Okay,
Yeah.
pounded yam. If you are not in Nigeria, pounded yam.
and
That's
fufu.
alright. Generally. Okay, with what kind of soup?
Egusi.
Where do you see yourself like in the next 5 years? What do you think this place is going to look like?
I don't feel proud.
Yeah.
Na only God.
Yeah, but like, what do you want to achieve?
Na only God. I don't feel proud.
No,
I
it's not
the thing wey I
about
no
being proud.
do. Wey I no do. I no feel say.
Okay, now let me give you an example. For me, in the next 5 years, I want to be great. I want to be a billionaire, if possible. Yes, I want to be very great. So just tell us.
Me, I want to be billionaire too.
Yes. How do you want your place to look like? Maybe if you can turn this place to something more, all this, you know, a bush bar. How do you want this place to look like?
The beg God make she help me. Like 5 years to this time, I want me here get progress, bush meat, depot. May I get big hotel, maybe say now only bush meat. I go see for that side though. I beg God make she help me like 5 years. May call like big factory.
Okay. Do you own this place, like the land? Do you own the land or?
No, it's a rented though.
Okay, so you like pay every month.
Every year.
Every year. Maybe you can just show us around the place. Let's see what it looks like. So that is a four. Okay, that's a goosey. Not even a four.
But this, the best teacher, this is our egusi now. Egusi soup.
Yeah,
This one is rice. Yes, 800. Then this one is meat. Now people where they find, the one where they smoke, the one where they put for inside soup.
So this is a bush meat, man.
Yes. This one is antelope.
Antelope.
Grass cutter.
Okay, wait. I wanted to speak my dialect. This is grass cutter
And
and antelope mixed together. You can use differentiate.
I can't show you the fresh one, so I go tell you now.
The fresh one.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's grass cutter.
This is grass
And
cutter.
this an antelope. All this one an antelope.
So this is more like a container now, right? But with time in the future, we're looking forward to building a bigger place.
Yes.
Yeah, something very big where people can come from. Even anybody that comes to Nigeria or Ondo State.
Yes.
By the way, you've not even told us the location of this place. This is the son of the woman we came to film with. And he has been disturbing me. He said he has something to tell us. Actually, he is the brain behind the name, Osha Pra Pra. He is a very funny guy. In fact, he is vibe on vibe. Like, tell us, what do you have to tell us?
Okay, my name is Oyejo. Then the thing is that they don't even hard like that. She used to step provision all the time, but that will not give me any assurance.
You not give the assurance?
And now,
based on money matter?
Money matters.
Okay.
That is a nice thing. But money is the best.
Money is first.
It's the best.
Yes, yeah. Very important.
Sure. One person used to sell bushmeat in front of my mom, my popsy shop there. I can't tell her, I say, okay, if you want to buy any bushmeat, it's available. Okay, if you like. I can't take her to there. Say, okay, you want to buy any bushmeat? And tell her grass cutter or there, any other meat there. Can't tell me, say, okay, no problem. I take her to there. Can't tell me, say, this thing no gagging. Can't tell her, say, oh, just calm down. Time, direct time. For some people around that time, you don't even have any name.
Yes.
They used to call her Tony and Tony. Because they like say, the time I come from Nigerian. Say, Shapra.
Don't come to the name.
Sure, yeah. That is a nice one. I come call her Shapra. You come at them say, what is that mean? They call my mom say Shapra. Why not give her a nickname, good nickname? Come tell me say, I should calm down. Say there's not the time for her. My mom bushmeat. Which one good pass? Both bushmeat or one. I can't tell him say I should just shift. See, I'm a small picky. I never know nothing they going on. Then I say, okay. Small body but big energy. Yeah. I know what I'm talking about. I say, okay. Mom, see. Say if you're starting with this bushmeat business, say pass this clothes business or promo business. Yes. Sit down, make market, pass, provision, all this kind of thing. Say, okay, no problem.
So now you be the brain behind the business now.
Oh, now be bestie for you. But she don't go remind for it. Sure, the child for the idea for bushmeat, any other thing. But she don't go remember now.
She don't go agree say na brain. Give your son my mother don't do
that now pass less thing.
They bomb me inside.
Okay. She remember a part of it. Don't come on her provision she dey sell another time. I give her the advice. Then she follow it. I can't push past her home.
You never tell us your name. Tell us your name.
My name is Oyo Joy. Yes. My nickname is Joyzy. Joyzy boy, fresh boy, no pimples.
Address. If anyone wants to come here, how do they person come?
Around Romi Junction, Mosalashi, nearby airport.
Nearby airport. Try and patronize her if you are here in Ondo State. I've actually tested her bushmeat and it tastes so amazing. People come from far and wide to come and eat her food. Yes, if you come here in the evening, trust me, you will not believe this is the place you came to. So you guys, I'm just going to test her food. Yes, we are going to eat now. No, we are going to eat. We are going to patronize you. Yes, we are going to eat. We will eat bushmeat and what is it called? What do you have? Your rice is not ready.
Not ready.
Yes, but what is it called? Eforiro is ready. So we are going to eat pounded yam and eforiro, and after that I will tell them how it tastes or what it tastes like. Yeah, just more like a review. So you guys don't go anywhere yet. The video still continues. So that's the plate. And then one plate. We need them to have an idea of how much you sell, like a plate of food. So how much?
Espresso, napandi. Damn it, 1,000.
Alright, the meat is 1,000 naira.
For 100 naira.
For 100 naira per one.
And 150.
And 150, that is 3.
Yeah.
3 of them 150.
No, each one.
One is 150. All right. Okay. So you guys have seen the cost of food here, but it's still affordable. Okay. So I'm coming. Let me taste the food and know what it tastes like. If I continue. Oh my God, I just hope it tastes very nice. You guys, I'm not even going to lie. See, it's not because I'm here, and it's not even because I'm standing here. This food tastes so delicious. Like before now, I was thinking it's going to be too spicy. You know what? Some people think that when you come to Yoruba land, they will kill you with pepper, but it's not like that. Like the food is so nice. Everything is very moderate. It tastes so good. Okay, I've tasted the bush meat before now. It tastes so good as well. Trust me, you're going to like it. So if you ever visit Nigeria, you ever visit Ondo State, Akure. In fact, if you visit Nigeria, try and come to Akure, Ondo State. You're going to love it here. Okay, we have amazing people. They receive people very well. And once you visit, make sure to visit this place because it's going to give you what you like what you are looking for. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. So I'll talk to you guys when I finish eating. I don't want any distraction. Maybe I can allow you people to join me, but after eating, I'll talk to you guys. Okay, please, because this food, I don't want any distraction at all. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Guys can see, I just tasted it now and it tastes so amazing, like so sweet. At first I was even thinking they added sugar to it, but they said no, that is because it is today's palm wine and they did not mix it with anything. That is why it's so sweet. Like you guys, you don't want to miss this, like you don't want to miss this. Like anytime you visit Ondo State, like you are going to love it. And as for the food, I am so filled. It's getting late. I need to start going home, you guys. It's almost 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do that. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and share this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.